Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to move your phone contacts off your SIM card on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, so you need to make sure you go into your contacts app, not your phone app, for this to work, because there's different options inside the contacts app that is different to the phone app. Alright, so click into your contacts. And now here, click onto the hamburger looking icon. That might be different. That might be in a different location in your device. So click into that. And now you want to click on manage contacts. And now you want to export contacts. Sorry, I meant to say move contacts. Click onto move contacts. And now here, choose the email account that you'd like to export these accounts off your SIM card. So go ahead, pick whichever Gmail account you want to do that with. And this is a great idea if you ever need to move from phone to phone. You've always got it backed up in the cloud or in that Gmail address. So when you get your new phone, you just simply go to that email address and transfer it onto your new phone. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.